How to give emergency first aid. Consider the following scenario. A person close to you has suddenly collapsed. First, check the person's reaction by calling out and patting them on the shoulders.
大丈夫ですか? 大丈夫ですか? 大丈夫ですか?
If there is no reaction, ask people nearby to call 119 for an ambulance and to bring an AED. If there is nobody else around, call 119 yourself.
反応がありません。あなた、119番通報してください。あなた、AED を持ってきてください。はい、わかりました。
Check to see if the person's chest is rising and falling and that they are breathing normally. If the person is not breathing and is unresponsive, you should begin CPR. Place your hands one on top of the other in the center of the person's chest and give chest compressions, at least 5 centimeters deep at the rate of over 100 per minute. People who know how to perform artificial respiration should also do so. After giving 30 chest compressions, check to make sure the airway is clear and breathe twice into the person's mouth. Continue the process of giving 30 chest compressions, followed by 2 breaths.
あなた、AED 使えますか？
使いません。
それでは心肺蘇生法変わってください。
はい、わかりました。
Have you ever seen one of these before? This machine is known as an AED and used to apply an electric shock in order to restart a heart that may have stopped. When the AED arrives, insert the power cable and place the pads on the person's chest, as shown on the AED unit.
パッドを患者の胸に装着してください。ランプが点滅しているソケットにパッドのコネクターを接続してください。
The AED unit will analyze the person's heartbeat and determine whether or not a shock can be administered. If a continuous noise sounds and the status indicator lights up, a shock can be administered. Make sure everybody is standing away from the person and press the shock button. After administering the shock, begin CPR once again. 'Other than CPR, you may also encounter the following scenarios. If a person is injured and losing a lot of blood, you should apply pressure to the wound with a towel to stop the bleeding. If a person who is eating suddenly collapses, they may have something trapped in their throat, so help them to cough by hitting them on the back. Your quick action and courage in these emergency situations is important. Please also teach those around you how to respond in emergency situations. It may someday save the life of a friend, relative, or even your own.